Rating all my Dyson hair tools, part 1. So we have the Supersonic Hair Dryer, the Airwrap, Dyson Coral, and Dyson Air Straight. So I'll be rating them based on ease of use, performance, and whether or not they're worth the splurge. So let's start with the first one. This is the Supersonic Hair Dryer, and this was the very first version. As you can see, it is used and abused, super dusty. This one can dry your hair in 5 minutes, even after a shower. And for reference, I have thin, fine hair, but this one works for all hair types, which is a good thing. In my opinion, this is super worth it, especially now that the newer versions have different attachments. So overall, I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Super love it. Honestly, given the chance to get a newer version, I would definitely grab it. Next, we have the Airwrap. So again, this is the very first version. This was during the time they were selling different variations, like one for smooth, straight hair, and another one for curly. I believe I got the smooth or straight hair variation. So these are the only attachments I have. So we have the curling barrels, the brush, and then the hair dryer. The Airwrap doesn't dry your hair as fast as the Supersonic hair dryer. And for the curls, honestly, the curls don't last, especially I live in a humid area. And for the brush attachment, it just brushes your hair straight while blow drying it. I also do have this attachment, but I find it difficult to use. But honestly, I would give this a 5 out of 10 because it can fake a blow dry like this, which actually looks nice in my opinion. But honestly, I rarely use the Airwrap because it feels damaging over time. Like, it can make your hair look unhealthy. So overall, it's a 5 out of 10. It's only useful for a fake blowout. So if you're an expert in styling your hair, then I suggest you get the hair dryer. But if you want a little of everything, then get the Airwrap. Okay, this video is getting too long. Like for part 2.